everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the little whale locations for day 4 in Heartopia. So during this Call of Whales event, NPC Naughty will give you a quest to collect photos of the little whales that are hidden around this camp, this Whalefall Canyon camp. But first you just need to meet the Naughty, and then after that just start the quest to collect the photos. And then in here I will show you the locations for day 4, and if you missed the previous day you can just find all the guides in Heartopia playlist. And okay, today the locations is this on these corals. This one you can see it. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to find because it's hidden at this coral, and it has the same almost the same color with the corals like this. But for the locations is located on here, this one over here, more precisely on here. And then after that just take a photo like this, and then just like that you will successfully take a photo of the little whale for day 4. And then for the furniture bubble is on here. Over there you can see it. It's located on here, this one. And okay, that's it for today's little whale locations. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.